you yesterday, like these are the storage units.
Uh-huh.
Yes, yes.
It is actually the storage unit, but the data was not transforming into MIGO. So I've made some configuration in the backend to the reference movement type. So and now it has copied the data which has been maintained in a master data. See, what actually it is saying is the palletization data. I will show you here. This one. Okay. See, the palletization data we actually maintain in the material master of any material. Okay. So it says that, can you see the screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. See, it says that 40 pieces are allowed in this IP kind of a storage unit type. And 25 pieces are allowed in even kind of a storage unit type. IP is like a pallet, even is like a bin height with 1 meter in standard. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all the standard storage unit types we define. It's already been defined in SSD, and this means that IP is actually a pallet, and E1 is some storage bin with height some 1 meter or 2 meters something. So it says that 40 pieces are allowed in this pallet, and 25 pieces can be allowed in this bin of height of 1 meter something storage unit type.
Mm-hmm.
So when we procure some 100 quantity, for example, okay, so what the system will calculate like 2 into 40.
Mm-hmm.
2 into 40 in IP, and the remaining how much? 20 in E1.
Mm-hmm.
This is how it calculates, and finally it gives there are 2 storage units.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, storage units are nothing but the how we place that particular materials in the storage bin.
Mm-hmm.
For example, we have some 100 pieces of 100 pieces of bolts or 100 pieces of earphones, for example. So how we place that in a storage bin? Are we placing that in a packing a box, or are we placing it like this as in a carton? Like how we are placing that? That actually means a storage unit. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I see, like, yesterday if you see MM03. Ganesh. Ganesh is left over.
Yeah, I'm in line only, Murli. Sayed.
Actually, what I was telling is actually has been not covered. Actually, it's a doubt of a Venu, so I'm just explaining. Don't.
Sayed, I need one. Sayed, I need one small. Sayed, I need one small information, Sayed. Hello.
Yeah.
I don't know who and participate in this training session. Can you please just small brief who and all is a participant?
Oh, introduction.
Yeah, I don't know who will participate in this kind of these things.
Yeah, guys, please introduce your. We should have done that. That's really Ganesh. We are sorry. And I introduced Ganesh is also. I think Arijit knows Ganesh, I believe.
Actually,
Hello?
Murli was mentioning that that Ganesh is going to join the class, so that's how I heard his name. By the way, my name is Arijit Nag. I have worked previously as an P2P consultant, and now I am trying to learn WM. I'm from Bangalore.
And,
Okay, my name is Venu. I am from Hyderabad. I work for Infosys as a contract. Right now I'm in contract with Infosys.
Okay.
I'm SAP.
Okay. Hi, so okay, myself Ganeshan. I'm working SAP MM consultant in Wipro Technologies, Bangalore.
Okay, great.
Okay. It was nice meeting you, everybody. When you're following this,
Yeah, I'm following, sir, following.
did you understand now what actually it means? See.
Because of placing
See,
two different, right?
See, you asked me like what is DSCL, right? This is actually a storage unit. So I procured some 12 material.
Okay. So placing it in two different bins.
Material. No. Storage unit, it's not the storage bin. Actually, the storage units are, you can say the storage bin again is divided into storage units. Got it?
Okay.
In one storage bin, for example, you place the materials. You cannot place like the material. No, you will pack or you keep in pallets or you keep in boxes or you keep in a carton. How you keep the material in the storage bin? That is a point here.
Okay, through storage unit types.
Two storage units we call that. So the group of storage units we will the same kind of attributes of a storage unit, we will group it and define as a storage unit type. This actually we will discuss when we discuss in storage unit type. Storage unit management, we do have one topic, right?
Yeah.
So here an example is like, see, if I procured some 12 quantity each, but in Material Master it is saying as like 5 each can be stored as box 1 and 3 as box 2. So I procured some 12. So it is automatically default data is picking up in the system saying as two storage units as box 1 and 1 storage unit as a box 2. So altogether 3 storage units has been stored in the storage bin for 12 pieces of material.
Got it.
Okay.
The organization structure, no? When a storage unit type is, when storage unit management is activated, so this storage bin again is divided into storage units. Again, in one storage unit, they can't exist. Got it? Yeah.
Sir, this is Arijit. Yeah, I would like to know that what configuration was missing, because of which yesterday, although the LE capacity was put up in the Material Master, but still the field was not getting populated.
Yeah. The issue was actually the data was not transferring into Migo.
Okay.
In the goods system.
Okay.
That is why it was actually missing. Like we do maintain text for any PO that it has to copy to some following documents. So we do some configurations, right? In the same way, in the interface between IM and WM, there was actually missing. So this data was not copying due to that particular configuration. So I'll show you what exactly. Here what actually was happened is the additional data was here, it was blank that time.
Okay.
It says a do not transmit screen window.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now I have given this transmit screen window for entering the palletization data. So it has
Okay,
transmitted that data.
Okay. Got it. One is for movement type. Okay. LEWM interface, and it is in warehouse management
This will
interfaces.
actually will cover this later on.
Okay.
Need to worry. It's just a jump to something. Since he has asked a doubt, so I just verified.
Okay.
It will go along the process and will cover all this stuff.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Actually, okay, you are practicing in a different server, right? Okay. Actually, I today tried to pull up the documents which you created yesterday so that I can have a look. Anyway, can you share the server details, or is it your personal?
It's actually my emails, my system server actually.
Okay. Okay.
My systems in my systems.
Okay, no problem.
You want me to actually work on this?
Okay, then if we can work in this server, the the one if it's working fast, I'm giving you the server details. So then we can share all those details afterwards. I mean, we can see all those things afterwards. Is it okay?
So my server you're asking, yeah?
No. I have it is the server which Murli provided us. So
this is the one. Yeah?
what's that?
This is server. What I'm showing is it's the Murli provided one.
This is the one. Okay.
No. The server which we worked yesterday is my own system.
Okay.
So, like, you want me to work on the Murli provided server?
Yeah, that will be easy, because what happened that when we will try to pull up the old documents or something which you have created, it will be easy for us. Otherwise, because your server is your personal, then if in the practice in the interim time we won't get that.
Yeah.
So if we want to pull up something. So if you can go to the server which Murli provided, I have done some thing, but I am getting, but I have some questions, so I will ask you.
Yeah, we'll go. Where do I go?
Hello?
Yes, Arijit. Yes, Arijit. Tell me.
Yeah. You can go to a display PO.
Good. Display PO.
ME23N, and then the PO number which I created.
So it's low. Tell me.
Is okay. Yeah, is 300046.
Tell me.
Yes.
Is this the number?
Yes.
I know. It's complete number. Tell me the complete number.
No, this is what I have got. I mean, hit enter.
PO number.
Yeah, PO number.
Maybe somebody would have changed it. I was
Yeah,
actually
number range
expecting
they have
10
provided.
numbers, so I saw.
They have provided a little short number range.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, actually there is a delay right now in front of my system. Right now I'm seeing clocking. So once I see the purchase order being pulled up, then I will be able to. Then I will tell.
Yeah, this is the purchase order.
Yeah, right now in my system, I'm still seeing the, the select document, the dialog box which you clicked on, and you're trying to pull up the PO. The PO has not been pulled up. There is a delay. I believe there is a delay.
Yes, so.
Is everybody experiencing the delay, or I am experiencing the delay only? Okay, now I see the PO. Okay. Okay. Now, for this material, if you drill into the material master, I provided the WM views. But when I am trying to do Amigo, I am not getting the WM tab in the Amigo. What is the mistake I am doing?
You didn't assign your storage location to your warehouse.
Didn't check that.
Warehouse plant.
Did you do that configuration?
Well, actually, I was using an already existing, organizational details. So I didn't check that thing. But let's see it right now.
Venu is catching like anything else. Then let's see, 001. So let's go to. Yeah, did you maintain the material master for this?
Yes, in the material master, I have maintained the WM1, WM2 views. You can go and you can see how if there is any wrong, you can tell me that too.
1000 is missing. Can you see the screen?
Right now, I'm seeing enterprise structure assignment you have pulled up. Yeah, now, right now I'm seeing Migo screen.
Oh. Venu and Ganesh, are you also facing the same kind of lagging?
No, sir. I'm seeing change view IM storage
Yeah,
location,
right now I'm
sir.
seeing change view MMIM storage location.
Okay, even I am doing yes.
When since 2-3 seconds, just now.
I think internet speed,
Since from 2
Arijit,
seconds, sir.
internet speed might be the problem for you, Arijit.
Okay.
So it might be like your system slow something. Maybe you check your internet speed.
See here, the 001 is missing, Rijit.
Okay.
So what you can do, no? You can.
Okay, I can configure that. Okay.
You can use this otherwise.
సార్ అది నిన్న ఆ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాం కదా, అది కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం సార్ ఇవాళ. అది ఆ సిస్టమ్ లో కావాలంటే అది ఎలాగో మొత్తం
మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు దీంట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అరిజిత్, what I can suggest is you guys practice in this system. So like even if you find any difficulty, we'll discuss on this whenever you guys have any difficulty.
Okay.
Because I see that system is very slow here.
Okay.
So what I can suggest, like, you guys practice in this. If you find any difficulty, please let me know. We'll clarify after the class. If anybody wants to stay, can stay. Otherwise, they can go out.
Okay.
Fine.
Fair enough.
So we can spare some 15-20 minutes later after the class.
Okay.
Since I see it's very slow. That's why, So yesterday we were actually somewhere around creating a enterprise structure.
Syed, I give a small information, Syed.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Ganesh.
Syed, so far how much topic has been covered, Syed, in this case?
No, not much. But in the first part, first class, I have actually completed the overview of WM, and in the second class also the same. And third class, I have tried to did some enterprise structure configuration, and today we are continuing with it.
Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, one more that course content which Murali sent, that only you sent, right?
Yeah, no issues. If which one you found from the internet?
No. Murali sent one course content to me.
Okay, fine. No, we'll do it. If you find anything missing, you let me know. We'll cover that.
No, actually, that day you told that you will forward one course content to me like this, right?
Yeah, I remember that. I think he has in the internet which is there. That is fine. Even I also have that only. We'll do it. Okay, so in the first what we have done is yesterday I'll just give you a little review. So we have copied a warehouse existing warehouse number, and then we have created a storage types, and then we have created storage sections and storage bins we have created, and also in the master data we have created a new storage bins, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we are creating a storage indicators, we call it as. Indicators are nothing but it will have a certain materials, we can restrict to certain materials. The strategies which we define can restrict to certain materials also. In that way we actually define this indicators and define in a material. In this way system will verify this particular indicators and process the strategies accordingly. Okay? I'll tell you how actually it is being used. While I do it. If you see yesterday there was TR1. So, okay, these are the already copied one. If you see, I can see that storage type indicator AZ1, AZ2, AZ3. Okay. And then we define a storage section indicators. In the same way we define a storage section indicators, all the indicators we define. We see here 001, 002 and all. And also the same way the special movement indicators is what, when we do some, for example, we have two materials, but one should be managed specially and another should be in the normal strategy. In that way, we do maintain this in a material master. These indicators, which is actually maintained at material master level. Okay. The reason is like the strategies which we define. For example, I procure one material and it should store to a particular storage type and storage section and storage bin. And when I procure a different material, it should not go and search for this particular same storage type. It should go and search for the next storage type. Okay. In this way, in order to differentiate this kind of a thing, we use these indicators at the material master level. Okay.
Define spatial
So I'll show
movement
you.
indicators. Okay.
I'll show you how actually it will show the difference. I'll also give you the information on this strategies, how actually see. See how actually the strategy actually works. So here if you see, can you see this slide?
Yeah.
Yeah. See how actually the logic works here. So we do maintain some, we have some movement types, okay, and then to this we assign some reference movement type, and to the reference movement type we assign some WM movement type, okay, and in WM movement type level we maintain the interim storage types, okay, and with respect of this a transfer requirement is created. And in the transfer requirement, when we try to create a transfer order, then the system, with the help of this storage indicators in the material master, it go and search for a storage type. And then, and after it search the storage type, it go and search for a storage sections. And then it search for a storage bin, and finally it points the particular storage bin where exactly it has to be stored, and then it will store. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? Are we clear?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yeah, sir, it's clear.
See, if you feel that I am not giving no clear ideas, then please let me know. Okay. So first what we do, search for a storage type search. Okay, in order to search for a storage type, we do, we go and make some configuration. First thing what we've done, we have created an enterprise structure. Okay. In the enterprise structure, we have created one warehouse number, so that we have maintained some master data. And then in the second level, we have maintained the storage type, so that again we maintain some master data to the storage type level. Okay, and then we have third organization level is storage section. Again we have created a new storage section. And to the fourth level, we have defined the storage bins. And the storage bins, and we have created some storage bins. And in order to make the strategy run properly, we do define the storage indicators. Storage indicators are those which are used in the system to actually run the strategies for certain materials. To run the certain strategies to run for certain materials. Okay? Now, these indicators may bifurcate the particular materials. One material will have a different storage type as a destination, and another material will have another storage type as a destination. In order to bifurcate these things, we have to create the indicators and maintain it material level. Okay? So now, in order to make, we have the strategy in the WM. These strategies are actually used in the system to automate the process. The system will automatically find the storage bin. Like how we do have automatic account determination, right?
Yes.
The same way, we do have a strategies here. We do have a picking strategy and put away strategies as well. So first what we need to do is, we need to find out the storage type first. For any material, if we pick, if we receive the goods received, so what it does is, first, okay, we have received the normal goods received with movement type 101, and now we want to post that that particular material is a WM managed, and now it has to go to WM warehouse management. So what they do is, system first 101 movement type. Have we assigned any reference movement type to that movement type? Then the system will search for that. Okay, system has found some 101 reference movement type, and again it will search for, okay, for 101 reference movement type, is there any W movement type has been assigned? If it is assigned, then it will search for that W, and then it will search for a interim storage type search. So we maintain the interim storage types at WM movement type level. This is the point we need to remember. As a storage, as a source destination, okay, as a source storage type. And once this, with the help of WM movement type, the system will find the interim storage type and post at that interim storage type, and then a transfer requirement is created. So these are all happened now, and now we want to make the system to find the storage type. So that we need to do some configuration. So here we have defined the storage indicator now, right? The storage indicator we have defined so many here. So, okay, so we'll take as some AZ1 as well storage type indicator. Okay, we'll write down and it will be. And now determine the search sequence. So here if you see, go for a, okay. So first what the system need to do, it has to find the storage type, right? So for which warehouse management? Go to TR1 and then this processing type. What is it? Is a put away processing type and storage indicator. So AZ1 we have given. So these are all the other factors that we'll while doing those topics we'll discuss this. Okay. This is also a different topic. Only this much if you can define, that's fine. These are all the file container, special processes, all these things. Okay. So storage type. Which storage type we need to assign? So which one we have assigned? TR1. Okay. Are you guys following it? What am I doing?
Yes, yes.
And already it is already been exist. Since we have copied from the standard, all this has been automatically assigned. But if we see here, okay, here we have see. So we need to change the storage type here. We'll take no, not this one. Storage type is TR1. Okay.
Okay.
So now the system will find out the storage type. This storage, these indicators are very important. You will understand why is it. Okay. So now we have defined the strategy for search strategy for a storage type. And now we need to go to define for a section, storage section. So we'll take the same one, TR1, AZ1 only. TR1. And the storage type we used was which one? TR1 only, no? What is the name of, okay, TR1? No. Which moment? Arijit, yesterday we have defined some storage type.
Yeah, TR1
Which one is that?
T storage type. I think we defined the as TR1 too. Think.
TR1, no? Okay, I think it is here, not here. Okay. So, oh my god. For the TR1 storage type, with the storage indicator AZ1, it has to find the storage section at 001. Okay. So now we have defined the search strategy for storage type and storage section. Now what next?
There is some background noise going on.
I think it's a Murli or what? Murli has left. Ganesh has kept mute. Venu?
No, sir. No voice from my side. I am alone in the room. Nobody is there.
Oh, yeah. Then
No, I
this
have a
maybe-
separate room.
Okay. Maybe this is Murli's, I believe. But
Murli is
I
not
don't
there.
see.
Murli left.
Then whose thought is this? I don't see.
Murli left. Not there.
Oh,
Okay, no
okay.
problem. Continue, sir.
Yeah, continue, no problem.
Okay. So storage section now we have defined. Okay. And now, see, did you remember the storage bin type?
Storage bin
Yesterday-
type, storage.
Yes, bin types we have created yesterday. Yes.
Yeah.
We have, what is the storage bin type?
The one we created yesterday.
No.
Yeah, no.
What is storage?
What exactly is the storage bin type?
it is same as storage unit type.
No, no.
Okay.
Storage bin types are those, like, it's a group of bins, storage bins.
Okay.
Group of storage bins. So you remember
Uh-huh.
we have in here we have created a storage bin type, and
Yes.
here we have assigned the storage bin type. Did you remember?
Yes.
So-
No, I remember. Yeah.
In this storage bin type, we have created so many storage bins.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So now we see why it is actually being created. So we have created a storage bin type. Yesterday we have used E1, right?
Yes.
I believe that.
Maybe.
Let's see.
Maybe.
Let's see. PR1, storage type PR1. Oh, E1. Okay. So now for this storage bin type, so we define storage unit types. So for this storage bin type of one, see what is the definition given here is, the description of this bin type is, it's a bin height with 1 meter. Okay. So it is giving the dimension of the bin. Okay, the bin is with a height 1 meter. So when you procure a 2 meter height box,
Mm-hmm.
we cannot fix this in this bin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you are right.
So, okay, so the storage unit types are those which are actually how you receive the palletization information. So it is, so the storage unit type is, okay, so here it is, so we have defined as E1 as European height 1 meter. So whenever I receive in these boxes, when I receive any material in this box, should go and search for this particular storage bin. Which bin? Storage bin with the storage bin type E1. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Fine?
Yes.
Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
will I
Yes.
explain again?
No. Fine.
So whenever I receive the material in a box with height 1 meter, it should go into the storage bin with the storage bin type 1 meter. So when I say the box with 1 meter height, it's nothing but storage unit types, and the box is actually the storage unit.
Mm-hmm.
So in the storage bin, you can have multiple boxes, right? So here I define the storage type. Okay, so in a layman, I just explain you. So whenever I receive a box with height 1 meter and containing some materials, it should go find the storage bin which can actually matches this. That is with storage bin type. Okay, now what I am doing is I am defining the strategy. Here if you see, let me see, it's already there. Okay. ER1, which it is not there, so we'll define. So we'll take it ER1 to the storage type ER1. So it should find which one? This one. This storage type E1 should first search for this. Okay. And to this storage unit type, we define storage bin types. So storage unit type ER1. The storage unit type, which one? E1. It should go find the storage bin type E1. So it's already existed. It has been already copied. Okay. So let's see where this ER1. So storage unit type E1. So here is. So it should go and find the storage bin type E1. Okay. So in this bin type E1, we have defined the storage units. Got it? No, we have defined the storage bins. Yesterday, we have defined the storage bins with the storage bin type with a group of by grouping all the storage bins in a E1. I just shown you. Got it? No.
Yes, yes.
This one. So here. So with height E1. Okay? So now when I run the strategy, it should go search for any of these storage bins. Huh? Let's see will it do that. Okay? Storage unit type search. This we'll see when we discuss that one. Let's create one material. 001. What we can create?
సార్ ఇది లింక్ చేయమా సార్ ఇది ఐఎం మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్ టు రిఫరెన్స్ మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్
అది చేద్దాం అది ఇంకో టాపిక్ అది ఇప్పుడే చేద్దామా
కాదు అది చేయకుండా కూడా పిక్ చేసేస్తుందా ఇది
ఫస్ట్ అది చెయ్యాలి జస్ట్ నేను ఎట్లా చూపిస్తానంటే మీకు అంతా ఒకేసారి చూపించేసి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతారని నేను కొంచెం కొంచెం చేసి చూపిస్తా ఉన్నా ప్రాసెస్
ఓకే ఓకే సార్
అది చేయకపోతే ఎట్లా వస్తాయి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాటజీలో ఇక్కడ చూపించా కదా సో ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ సెట్టింగ్స్ చేయకుంటే దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ విల్ నాట్ గో దిస్ విల్ నాట్ గో fine I'll explain that also. So you understood now. Arijit, you are following what Venu has asked. Did you understood what he asked?
No. Hello?
No. Yeah. Okay, he has asked me the doubt that if we run the process without doing the configuration between IM and WM, how can we run the process? He's asking me. So actually he was correct. So I'll explain the process now. The interface process.
Perfect. Okay.
Let me first show this. Okay. So I have to create some material. WM. So we are printing a material with in the storage type for no, the warehouse number is TR1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Already exists and will be extended to the this particular. So here, if we maintain here the storage indicators.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The storage, based on this storage indicator, the system will search for the strategy.
Okay.
So if we maintain here, if we maintain AZ1, the storage section AZ1. Okay. So if you see here, in the strategy we have defined, here, so it's C here. Okay. So here the maintain as AZ1, and now I've maintained the same here in AZ1
Mm-hmm.
stock placement process. So the system, what it do, it goes search for this entry. Then okay, AZ1 has been maintained here. So and then it will search. Okay, for this AZ1 indicator, what is the storage type maintained?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then if we maintain the storage section indicator. Now by using this AZ1 storage indicator, storage type indicator, it has found the storage type. And now after finding the storage type, it has to find the storage section. So it will go and find the storage section. Then it will see. Okay, for TR1 we have maintained the storage type as TR1. Where is this? Okay, for storage type TR1 and the storage indicator AZ1. So here we maintain AZ1 as a storage section indicator.
Mm-hmm.
And by taking this as a reference, it will go and search in this table, and you see here AZ1 storage indicator has been maintained.
Mm-hmm.
And now then it will go search for this storage section.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So first it has found the storage type with respect to storage type indicator. Once you find the storage type, here it will see, okay, for WM and storage type and storage indicator combination, which is the storage section to find. So it has found some storage section here. 001. That is how actually it happens. And the storage bin types maintained here. So we maintain some palletizers and then storage type E1. See that first key base 2. What is the unit here maintained? We maintain here the liters. And what is the base unit in the maintenance process? The material cost. So we have created a material master. Now, see, with the help of the storage indicators, it will find the particular storage bin. Okay. Now, it is the interface. See, let's run this. It was. For which moment? So we need to maintain that material to the storage location. Otherwise, the system will not pick the not process further. Okay. That is why what I have done is I have extended this material to the storage location 0002. Okay. Let me see this language process how it do. Okay. It actually has maintained the starters value. Let's see. So I just considered the warehouse manager. Okay. Since we have assigned it, it has taken it, and now here if you see 10 quantity 1 as storage unit tag now. Let's check how it goes. Whether it will pick the strategy or not, we'll see. Uh, 3 6. The tier has been created with the storage type 902. Here why it has created, now the doubt is why it has been copied as 902. Okay. Now again it has come 0. The reason why?
Because it is the
You
entry.
see, we have not maintained this entries well. Okay. So now you will see like why this has been no 902 why it has picked. Okay. Now we'll see why it has taken 902. You see here. So first it will check for a reference movement type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see where it actually configure. If you can you see this requirement type?
Hmm.
This requirement type is actually this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This one here, if you see, so we define a requirement type. The reason is the system has to define the dynamic storage bin in the storage type. Okay. So by which reference it will prepare? Since the storage bin is a temporary, so it has to be dynamic. So every time it keeps changes. So and what kind of a nomenclature should it gives? The system has to understand so what kind of a nomenclature should give for this temporary storage bin in a interim storage type.
Mm-hmm.
So with this criteria, the requirement we define a requirement types. By this criteria, it actually picks up by giving that storage bin number. So we define movement types. We define movement types. See here. TR1 movement type 101. Here you see the warehouse. See this has been 902.
Mm-hmm.
We have maintained as an interim storage type.
Mm-hmm.
So here you see. Okay, so reference movement type. So we have defined this warehouse movement type. So by this, in the interfaces, we actually see here how we actually link the IM movement type with the reference movement type. Okay, in the section, if you see here. So, in logistic execution, warehouse, interface, and inventory. Here in define movement type, we assign WM movement type to reference movement types. So, movement type 101 is defined here. So, with different combinations, what combinations are this? Like a special stock, if you are handling a special stock, then in that case what you need to pick up. And there are so many combinations you can make this. According to the client's requirement, you do make different combinations. So you have defined, for example, for a normal procedure we are doing, okay, it has defined as 101 reference movement type. So the reference movement type 101 reference movement type 101 we have assigned a movement type here. Okay, 101 reference movement type. And now here if you see here one. Okay. So 101 moment type. If you give here addition to please copy the palletization data, it has to copy it. So understood what I was actually showing to you guys? Huh?
Hmm.
Venu? Ganesh?
Yes, sir. I'm able to. I'm able to understand.
Ganesh?
Yes, sir, I can understand. Yeah, yes,
You guys
sir.
are following me? You following me?
Hello.
Hello? So first we have no with the IM moment type it will check for a reference moment type that we define here,
Mm-hmm.
and with reference to the moment type it will go search for a WM
Warehouse.
moment type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, warehouse moment type. In the warehouse moment type, so you understood like where we exactly do this interface activities.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then in activities we do define the warehouse moment types.
Mm.
See here's the 902. If you see here,
Hmm.
so we have picked the storage type 902. The reason is we have maintained here as a in this warehouse moment type. Here it has maintained as a source as
902. Yeah.
902. Since that we have maintained the source in 902, the system has picked the 902, and the storage bin should come with the PO number. How the system knows that it should come with the PO number? That we have maintained here as a
Requirement type.
the requirement type. We have maintained as purchase order. If you maintain something else, then we'll get the same thing. So we have maintained here. And the stock placement. What kind of a storage? What kind of a action when this movement type is picked? We are doing a stock placement process. So we have to give as a shipment type as a stock placement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that we define here as here. No, before going here, we go to shipment type. What kind of got it?
Mm-hmm.
So also along with this strategy, we also have some of the controls over at moment type level. For example, should the transfer requirement create manually, or which is not allowed manually, or should it automatically creates it? Okay, so it is saying as manually transfer is not allowed. Manually TR creation is allowed. So these are some of the controls we see here. Okay, and the TO creations. Some of the things. If you go through these things, please let me know if you find any doubts. Why? What actually is this, and why? What kind of impact if it changes? Okay. These are some of the. Okay. So this for now I'll explain you only this, and later on now while doing different processes you will be understanding like what actually these controls are impacting the system. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sir,
For now,
this
it is
is this movement type is warehouse movement type, WM movement type. This
Yeah.
101.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Adi,
for now-
sir, can you explain that one, sir? That assignment,
Which one?
the IM to WM assignment. That one.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Inventory
I
management.
just shown you. Okay.
Yeah. For one more time because I didn't realize.
Yeah, please. So once we have created this WM movement type, see when you see this chart, MM movement type will refer the reference movement type.
Mhm.
With the help of reference movement type, it will refer the WM movement type.
Mhm.
So to do this, to find the WM movement type, we need to do some configurations in interface. In interfaces, go to inventory management, define the movement type, and here assign WM movement type. So what we have done, we have assigned this inventory movement type first to reference movement type here.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
So, and again once this reference movement type is assigned, once this to the IM movement type, reference movement type is assigned, we go assign the WM movement type to the reference movement type
Mhm.
here. So
New
warehouse
entries
management,
ఎందుకు లేవు?
reference movement types ఉన్నాయి ఎందుకు లేవు?
కాదు
కావాలంటే
ఇంతకుముందు దాని
చేసుకోవచ్చు.
స్క్రీన్ లో న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్ లేవు.
దీంట్లోనా?
ఓకే. సో ఓకే మన లాస్ట్ లో కూడా అదే చేస్తాం. ఓకే.
ఓన్లీ రెఫరెన్స్ మూమెంట్ అయితే మాత్రం అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఇచ్చేసి ఉంటారు కావచ్చు.
ఓకే. సో 101 స్టాండర్డ్ కాబట్టి ఓకే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
ఇంకోటి ఏమంటే ఇది 101 అని కాదు, అన్ని మూమెంట్ టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ మనకి.
ఓకే.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇచ్చేసి ఉంటాడు వీడు.
ఓకే.
ఇంకోటి ఏమంటే we can assign as many reference movement types to one movement type only. If you see here,
Hmm.
we have so many, even also you can have again this reference movement type again assigned to so many IM movement types here. Like, according to the based on the combination of this, the system will pick some. So see, for example, here if you see, it is special stock indicator. Special stock indicator is as I you see the material master. That I'll explain you that later on. Again, it will be confusion. Okay. So you just concentrate what I'm actually pointing out. Then later on we'll have a discussion over that. So while discussing on topics, we will cover all the fields almost. So based on this, it actually
అసైన్ చేసాము సార్. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ 902 ఉంది.
9 ఇక్కడ అసైన్ చేయం మనం. 902 902 వచ్చేసి స్టోరేజ్ టైప్ కదా.
ఓకే. యా సారీ.
కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినట్టున్నారు.
అదే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ తక్కువ.
902 అనేది స్టోరేజ్ టైప్.
అవును. సో ఇక్కడ మనం సో వి విల్ అసైన్ అవర్ WM మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్ టు IM మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్.
యా.
ఓకే.
చూడండి ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాటజీ ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది అంటే, ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాటజీ ఎలా పనిచేస్తుందంటే అసలు మనకు ఫైనల్ గా కావాల్సింది ఏం చెప్పండి. ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ వి వాంట్. కెన్ ఎనీబడి ప్లీజ్?
Finally, we want, we are trying to put that the storage type 902, it's coming up corresponding to that warehouse movement type. So it's a such strategy which we are designing. That's our ultimatum.
No. The ultimate goal is
Mhm.
to find the material, find the storage bin for the material.
Mhm.
The ultimate thing finally what we see in the warehouse is the system will automatically find the storage bin for the particular material which we procure.
Yes.
In order to find the storage bin, this is the following schema actually, how it happens.
Mhm.
So first, we have received with the goods movement type 101.
Mm-hmm.
So now what? It is actually the IM and W are not actually directly connected.
Mm-hmm.
See here. Upload, inventory, stock and storage location, want area, this is different topic. Okay. See how the IM and WM are connected
Mm-hmm.
with the reference movement type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's not directly connected. That is the point we must see here.
సార్ ఇక్కడ రిఫరెన్స్ మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది మన మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్ 101 ఉంది. రిఫరెన్స్ మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్ వచ్చి మనం
101 ఇచ్చాము. 101 ఇచ్చాము.
ఓకే 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 మన అంటే ఇది వేర్ హౌస్ కి స్టోరేజ్ 902 స్టోరేజ్ టైప్ కి 101 ఇచ్చాం. ఓకే
చూడండి కొంచెం ఇక్కడ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసామంటే ఫస్ట్ సిస్టమ్ మన దగ్గరికి మెటీరియల్ వస్తుంది. విల్ రిసీవ్ ద మెటీరియల్ ఫస్ట్.
ఓకే
ఓకే. సో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఎ గుడ్స్ రిసీవ్డ్ విత్ మూవ్మెంట్ టైప్ 101.
ఓకే.
And the material is WM managed. Okay, please follow my word.
Okay.
Okay, so since it is a WM managed, it has to find its own storage bin. System has to guide the material to store in storage bin, particular storage bin. So how it finds? So 101 moment type we do the GR with IM moment type as 101. Now it will find the reference moment type. So now we have assigned the reference movement type here as 101. Here, okay, 101 with the different combinations. Like it can be a special stock, it can be a normal process, it can be anything. Okay, so now we have assigned this as 101. So to this reference movement type, we are assigning again. We are assigning the W movement type as 101. Okay. So this is done and this is done. System has found this, and with the help of this, system has found this. Okay. And now it has to find the interim storage type. That we actually maintain in a WM movement types. Also, as I told you, material is not directly be stored in the warehouse management. First, it will go and update in interim storage. And later on, when we confirm the transfer order, it will go and update in the WM. Okay, you remember those, right?
Yes, yes.
So, in the movement type, now we are defining the WM movement type, okay? In order to find the interim storage type, we define here. So for the 101 movement type, the storage type is 902. Okay, this is the we are defining here as a dynamic storage bin. So dynamic storage bin. So we haven't given anything here. It has blank. So what kind of a storage bin, what is the nomenclature to define an interim storage bin? So we define here requirement type. We have given requirement type as B. If we give something else, then it will take as, it will define like that only. So we have given as B, so it is a purchase order. So now what happened? It has found the storage type. With this all the information, it has created a transfer requirement. Okay. That so whenever I saved it, material document here, at the moment I 101, okay, for the warehouse management TR1. So what has happened? IM moment type 101. So reference moment type is attached. By that reference, it has found the 101 moment type, WM moment type, and the storage type is 902. And the storage bin has come as a PO number because in this moment type we have given the requirement type here. Okay. This is how it has been created. And the number ranges we have maintained yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So this is how it actually happened.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
T1
How
కూడా
this is
T1 కూడా చూద్దాం ఎర్రర్ వస్తాం.
These are the what?
TO.
So now, okay, we'll go. Now we'll go LT04. LT04
Here one.
one. So see, as we have maintained the palletization data as 10, okay, as 1
Mm-hmm.
per storage, it has gone there. Let's see how it creates. So no storage bin.
సార్ ఇది ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది సార్ నాకు ఎక్కువ సార్లు నో స్టోరేజ్ అది విత్
ఇది రాంగ్ గా తీసుకుంది గురించి 10 సార్లు తీసుకుంది స్టోరేజ్ 10 సార్లు తీసుకుంది ఎక్కడ పప్పులో కాలేసాం Went on the no destination storage bin is to be found for storage type AZA. Oh, so it is saying that I have maintained for storage, speaking some storage type from AZA. But we are defining for storage type TR1, right?
What is the value in the material master?
That is what I have. I'll create a new material once. Let me see. Okay. LN01. It's, oh, it is already there. Suggest me some number name. Okay. Really stop. Really creative. How is it referring to the
ఓకే లేకపోతే రేపు చూద్దాంలేండి సార్, లేకపోతే లేట్ అయిపోయింది.
అవసరం లేదు, లేట్ అవుతుందా?
నాకు కాదు, మీకు 10:30 అయింది కదా, మళ్ళీ మీరు లంచ్ చేశారు. అరిజిత్ హ్యాస్ టు గెట్ సంథింగ్ నా.
Arijit, you want to go?
No, I will stay. Don't worry.
That's posted. See, there was a storage location was posted, no? So it was referring to that one. So it has posted, and now see, one storage unit has 10 quantity in a storage unit type. So 902 and this tier number 2. Now go to 20. Okay. Again it is going to find the storage type age area.
Destination.
So there is something missing in the strategy. Let's see. It is actually, what is doing. Did you understand what is doing?
Yeah, we are trying to put up a destination storage bin to that material, right?
No. When I am running the process, it is going and finding the storage type AZA. But I have defined as TR1, right? Why is it going and finding the TR1? See here. Stop. E put away. Where is it? E I haven't seen anywhere. That is here E. See here E. Storage indicator I have given here as a storage type AZA. If you give here TR1, it should work.
Okay.
See, it is found.
Okay.
Venu,
Yeah, sir.
got it?
Yeah, got it. సో ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే వేరే తీసుకుంటుంది, మనం వేరే అక్కడికి ఇవ్వాల్సింది.
వేరే తీసుకుంటారు, మనం ఆడ డిఫైన్ చేయలేదు. That is why it is taking different. Now TR1 has created. Let's see. LT to 1. So confirm it. Okay. It has taken the storage bin. What?
ఓకే.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead, sir. Hello?
Okay. So, what has happened is like, okay, we'll confirm it now. It's just 1 to 5 minutes hardly, okay? So now we see it has taken, let's see, LT21. So you see here, see that 902 how it has come.
Mm-hmm.
You understood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 01, it is a standard, you see. The storage bin
Storage
here
bin.
as the purchase order.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have defined the destination bin as ER1, storage type 001, and this one. So finally it has stored in this storage bin.
Mm-hmm.
How much? 10 quantity.
10 numbers.
As how?
Yeah.
As the storage unit as E1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? That we have defined in where? In Hotel Master. The story. And the quant we will never create a quant master data. While doing the business transactions, by the transaction, quant master data is created automatically.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is a quant data. So it is showing the exact location. See, warehouse as TR1 storage type, in the storage bin 001. Quant number is 5 as the storage unit type E1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll close this for today. So did you guys followed all the things what we have discussed today? Or if you have anything, please let me know tomorrow. If anybody,
Okay.
after the class, please make note. And later of the class, whoever has a doubt can spare the time. The remaining guys can leave for their work.
Okay.
Sir, can you send that material to me, sir? The one you have showed. Some material is there. PPT sound, sir.
The PPT.
Syed,
Then already pumpicha kada. Yeah. Tell me.
Is adena?
Syed Ganesh here.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Syed, actually I did not receive any materials yet. Can I forward to my email ID?
So I'll do that, or else I'll ask Murli to do that.
Okay. You're sending only this. Okay, sir. You're sending only this PowerPoint presentation or any of materials you are sending on?
I'll talk to Murli and I'll update you on this.
Okay, actually I am only told initially he will forward this SAP material like this. He informed me, told me that totally.
Yeah. Yeah, Murli, did you
I'll
get
talk to
the
Murli
recording?
and I'll update you.
Sorry, Ganeshan, did you get that recording, right?
Yeah, I have got it. Once download is available, I will share it to Murli. He will forward it to you people here.
What's that?
No, still I did not complete this recording. Once completed, I will share it to Murli. He will forward it to you people.
No, not this recording. Murli actually mentioned me to send you the recording of yesterday to you.
No, still I did not receive that recording.
Okay. You didn't get any email on your Google Drive like this shared with that ID?
When you send, no, still I did not receive Ajit.
Okay. It's uploaded in my Google Drive. I will try once more. Please let me know. Please let me know by tomorrow morning if you do not receive that. I will try once more because it has been uploaded. I don't know why it didn't go.
Yeah, sure, Ajit.
Okay.
Arijit, please share with me as well the same thing.
Okay.
Let me see how it actually looks. Huh?
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
So please, tomorrow if you find anything, what you can do is you please practice in that server which Murli has provided to you guys.
Actually एक समरी मिलेगा आज आपने जो किया था ना एक पॉइंट पर समरी आज आप थोड़ा मिलेगा
उसके लिए ठीक है बनाना पड़ेगा फिर
नहीं मतलब अब अभी आप बोल दो मैं लिख लेता हूँ जॉट डाउन कर लेता हूँ जो पॉइंट्स आपका याद आता है आपने आज जो सर्च किया मैं जॉट डाउन कर लेता हूँ थोड़ा बीच में मैं थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया
अच्छा आज हम लोग क्या क्या किए वो सब
या
ठीक है
बोल दो मैं अभी लिख सकता हूँ
what we have done is
okay go ahead
आज हम today we have actually defined the process. Okay, in that there are some configurations needs to be done. Okay, first thing what we have done, we have defined the infrastructure.
Define enterprise
Then
structure.
we have defined all the enterprise this organizational element entities. We have defined all the organizational elements.
Okay.
Then next what we have done, then we have defined the strategies,
Define the strategies.
and then we have created a moment types, example moment types for WM, and then we have linked those WM moment types with the IM moment types in the interface, and then we ran the process. This is the top level of summary. And tomorrow what you can do, you can practice it accordingly. If you find any difficulty, please let me know.
Okay.